Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to remove your background green screen from Adobe Premiere Pro video editing tool. In order to do that, I've downloaded a sample video which has a green background here. And now from Windows menu, I'm selecting Effects. If you don't select it from Windows menu, you can do your shortcut, which is Shift and 7. I'm clicking the Effects mode. I'm coming from the left side, which opened the menu. I'm clicking the video effects menu, dropping down. From here, I'm selecting the keying. And from the opening menu, I'm selecting Ultra key. And now I hold my left mouse button clicked and I drag it on my video. After that, I'm coming to my window section once again, and I'm selecting my effects control. If you don't want to select it from the Windows menu, you can do again Shift and 5. I press that from the opening menu. Here you can see we have a bunch of selections. I'm gonna select the key color. I'm gonna select the drop symbol here. I'm clicking it and I'm coming above my video, and as you can see now my section here is getting green. I click this and now as you can see my green screen has been removed, but I don't want to be always black. I want my interviewer to talk inside an office. In order to do that, I've already downloaded a picture in an office. I'm dragging it inside my video. I'm bringing it here, and now our news reporter is speaking inside an office. But we have a small issue here, which is that I'm going to play my video. Everything seems to be fine, right? But now it's been removed. What is the solution? In order to make the whole length which is inside my video and talk with the interviewer in an office. As you can see at the left side is the preview mode, and on the right side we have our present videos mode. Open it according to the length of the video, and now everything seems to be fine. No any issue anymore. As you can see, our news reporter is speaking inside an office and a whole length of the video. So the video was like this. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future contents. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.